Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Andrew. Learning English here is easy and fun. I am Sarah.
Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is great to be with you again.
I feel full of energy today, Andrew. How are you?
I am doing great. I am actually a bit excited. I bought a newspaper this morning.
A newspaper? That is old school, Andrew. I read the news on my phone.
I know, I am a little old-fashioned. I like the sound of turning the pages, and I like reading with my morning coffee. It feels calm.
That does sound relaxing, and reading the news fits perfectly with our topic today.
Really? What are we talking about?
Today, we are learning how to talk about news in English.
The news. That feels big and a little scary. The English is fast and full of long words.
That is true. Many learners feel the same. But today we will make it simple. We have a small formula.
A formula? I love formulas. Tell me.
We are going to use the 5W questions. They help you understand new stories and talk about them with friends.
That sounds helpful. I always want to share interesting stories, but I do not know how to explain them.
And before we start, a quick request. If you enjoy learning with us, please subscribe to English Talk Andrew. Give this lesson a like and share it with a friend.
Yes, your support helps us reach more learners just like you.
All right, ready to become a news reporter?
I am ready.
We start with the first W. What?
What happened? Simple.
Exactly. The main event. For example, a new park opened.
Got it.
The second W is where. Where did it happen?
So the new park opened in the city center.
Perfect. The third W is when.
When did it happen? Last Saturday, maybe?
Nice. Now, the fourth W is who.
Who opened the park? Maybe the mayor?
Very good. And the final W is why. Why did it happen?
Maybe the city wanted families to have a place to relax.
Great. Put it all together.
The mayor opened a new park in the city center last Saturday because families needed a place to relax.
Well done. You sound like a real reporter now.
Thank you. I feel proud and a little smart.
There is one extra step. What it means. How does the story connect to real life?
So the new park means families can spend more time outside.
Exactly. That is how you make the story meaningful.
This formula is so easy. It keeps my brain calm.
Yes, and reading the news helps your English because it teaches vocabulary for many topics. Sports, weather, culture, everything.
True. When I read sports news, I see words like score and match. When I read weather news, I learn storm and sunny.
Right. And here's a tip. Start with the headlines.
The big title at the top?
Yes, it shows the main idea. You do not need to understand every word.
Really? I always try to translate everything. It takes forever.
Do not do that. Focus on the 5W questions and use the pictures. They help you guess the story.
Yes. If I see a fire truck, I know the story is about an emergency.
Exactly. Now let us practice. I have a funny news headline.
I am ready.
Surfing dog wins big prize in California.
A surfing dog? I already love this story.
Tell me the what.
A dog surfed.
Where?
California.
When?
Yesterday afternoon.
Who?
The dog. I will call him Max.
Good choice. And why?
To win a prize.
Now give me the full story.
Yesterday afternoon in California, Max the dog surfed to win a big prize.
Amazing. See, you can talk about news.
This is fun, and I can add what it means. It means Max is a talented dog.
Yes. And it also makes people smile. Not all news is serious.
I like that. I think I will start reading funny news. It feels lighter.
That is a great idea. Start with topics you enjoy. Sports, movies, weather,
anything.
Yes, and I can use questions to start conversations. Like, did you hear about the surfing dog?
Perfect. Or, I read an interesting story today.
I like that one. I will use it.
And if you do not understand something, ask someone. What happened? Who was involved? Why did it happen?
Yes, the 5W questions help me understand and help me talk.
Exactly. And now we are almost out of time.
The time went so fast. I was having fun.
Me too. Before we go, we have a small task for our listeners.
Do not worry. It is very easy.
Find a small news story today. Something simple. A new movie release, a football result, anything.
Then write a short comment using the 5W questions.
We are excited to read your reports.
Please subscribe so you do not miss the next lesson. And share this video with a friend.
Thank you for listening.
Keep reading, keep practicing, and keep talking.
See you next time.
Goodbye.